Hell yeah, yeah. I think we have a back, especially in today's culture with so how social media is, and everybody can comment. Literally, everybody can comment on each step of your journey if you're posting it, if you're putting it out there. And so we almost have this sense of being super scared to just fail, super scared to get rejected. So it's an insane amount now. It's a false pressure we're putting on ourselves. True. It's a false pressure because it's truly not real. It's something that we created in our minds to make it a threat. But you got to understand, like at one point, you forget, you got to tap into that inner baby. At one point, you were a toddler. You did not know how to walk. You did, but no matter how many, and I guarantee you, at one point, your parents, if they cared about you, was like, just sit down, baby. It's okay. They seen you fall down a bunch of times. You crying because you fall down. They're like, it's all right, baby. Sit down and crawl. But you kept getting up because I don't know one adult that's still crawling on the ground. Right. Every adult I know knows how to walk unless they don't have the resources to be able to walk. So you learned how to do that. It's the same thing with building your business. You just it's and the same thing is same way as walking. For some, it takes longer than others, and that's okay. As long as you're putting in the work and you're still moving forward, your business is going to start moving. It's going to start moving forward. You're going to be able to pick it up and move it forward. But you gotta get started. You gotta not be scared to fail. And when you run into hurdles, like some of the things Mark was talking about, some of the things Fonda was talking about, whether it be what the credit is, your credit okay? Do you have too much debt? What have you been in business long enough? All of that stuff. You can't know that until you try to find it out. You can't know that unless you're trying. And you basically have to face failure to find that out. You have to face rejection to find that out. And it's okay though. That's the thing. Like, change your mindset towards it. Accept that these hurdles and these issues that you're dealing with are just part of the process. They're part of it. They are the gatekeepers to you reaching success. You got to go through this to get to the end result of whatever it is you're trying to build. So accept it. Just accept it. Like, get the news, even if it's like, hey, yeah, you need to get some credit. You need to have some more credit. You need to get some more credit cards. You need to get this off of your credit. You need to have this much saved up. You need, whatever the case may be. Well, at least now you got a blueprint and you can say, okay, that's going to take me 1 to 3 months. But I'm 1 to 3 months closer to my goal than I was before, because before I didn't know what I needed to do. But it takes some time to really talk to yourself and understand that it's okay. I'm going to fail. I'm going to run into some problems, but I'm going to keep moving forward.
Yeah.